Ever stood in front of someone you love and they looked at you like they don't recognize you anymore? That moment hurts deeply. But this is where your care truly begins. It can feel confusing, even frightening, but your presence matters more than you realize. Step 1. Stay calm and grounded because your emotions become their reality. If you panic, they feel unsafe. Take a deep breath before you respond. Step 2. Keep communication simple using short sentences and a gentle tone, repeating patiently without frustration. Sometimes it's not about what you say, but how you say it. Step 3. Create a consistent routine because familiarity builds comfort even when memory fades. Small daily patterns can feel like anchors to them. Step 4. Use visual cues like labels, pictures, and familiar objects to guide them through daily tasks. These little supports reduce confusion. Step 5. Focus on emotions instead of facts because even if they forget names, they still feel love, fear, and reassurance. Your warmth reaches deeper than the words. Step 6. Make the home environment safe by removing hazards and keeping essentials nearby. Safety brings silent peace of mind. Step 7. Take care of yourself too because your strength supports their stability. You cannot pour from an empty cup. Some days will feel like you are slowly losing them, and that grief is real and heavy. It's okay to feel overwhelmed sometimes. You are human too. Talk to someone, take breaks when needed, and don't ignore your own emotions. But even if they forget your name, they remember how you make them feel inside. You become their safe place in a world that feels confusing and unfamiliar. And sometimes just sitting quietly beside them, holding their hand, is the most powerful form of care you can give, even when words fail completely.